Um, Good evening or good morning. Anytime you check the video. All right, sir. Thanks a lot, sir, for your help. We really appreciate, sir. So, it still remains some work so that the landing page can be perfect, and if this is also perfect, we also help you too, sir. So, now according to my own research here, so now I will open three tab. So this is the work. I've re-edited the text very well, so I will resend this one, save it and send it to you. So let's go. So now let's move to your whole the two other sample I have carefully researched on, so that we can just follow the color and everything, so it make it look interesting. Now let's look at our own, the one you did, sir. Okay, so the one you did now is very good, but we have to still work more on it. Now let's look at this now. I know that you didn't understand my test. I'm very sorry. I was just going through it. I think I did it just in a hurry. Just within 2 days or one day like that, I used to do it. So, and normally it should have taken me like 3 days to edit and re-edit. So how to master video editing and publish regularly for PC or smartphone. I think it look a little bit confusing because of the way the word is joined together here. Now the first thing is, okay, I have opened the tab. Okay, the first thing is, let's first look at this one that I want us to follow. I want us to follow the heading. The heading is very, very important in landing page, so that it can attract student, and it's not everybody that will read it, and this is one-on-one class. It's not everybody that read it. We have two type of people on those stuff. Some people will scroll down to just look at the creativity, and some people will read, some people will not read. Just the first heading can catch the attention of some people to pick to pick um to pick score, I mean to pay. Now let's look at this one now. You are just one funnel away. So instead of this, you are just one funnel away. And look at the color. The color, how it interchange. They have like three color: black and blue and orange. Even we can have this same color and just use it. It eyes cache a lot. Now you are just one funnel away. We can, instead of this one, you are just one funnel away, we can use the one that I put at the heading. If you look at the heading here, it said here is the secret on. So that's it. So we can just put here is the secret on. Yeah, all these quotes, here is the secret on dash 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 dash, like dot dot dot, three dots. Okay, on will be there. Here's the secret on dot 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 dot. How we it will now be how to create it will now be how to master video editing. So you can see the how to master video editing will be big, like launch your first, because this is the main target of these guys. But our own main target is how to edit video editing, how to master video editing. It will be both like this. How to master video editing, it will be both like that. Then and will not be both, will just be a little bit small, like how will you will just be a little bit small. Then we now follow publish regularly. So publish regularly will be like on next funnel, like this funnel. This one is deep, is bold, so you can see that it's more bold than the one at the top. Then the next one that I follow is for PC or smartphone, and publish regularly. Then you can just put a full stop and publish regularly for PC or smartphone. Then everything is loaded here for you. So everything is loaded here for you will be after that one. So it will just be like how will you like us to hold your hand. That text is not big and it's not bold, it's just normal text. So it will be on after that one. I hope you get it. So you can ask me question. So after that, you can see I give a space here. Like a video mentioning a problem will be here. So a video will be here. That's no that one is not your own side. I will send the video on Wednesday to you, sir. So a video will be here. So after that the video that is here, you can see this one now. He has a video here. After that video, like this one have live challenge start every Tuesday, every 2 weeks. So our own will just be right here. You can now learn and master. So our own now did not need to be bold as this one, life challenges. So it can just the first you can see all my first letter here are capital letter right here, capital letter R, capital letter H, capital letter Y, capital letter C, capital letter N. So you get that. So right here you can now learn all this word now. This 1 2 3 4. So this word will be bold, but it will not be big, it will just be bold. I hope you get it. It will just be bold, so it will not be big. Now after that word, you can see those people that as master. So we now have, you know that this one now is in a let me say, is in a shape. So we after that one, we can now, you can see a little bit of arrow here, like it's pointing down to this one. We don't see need time here. This time will be at the place of I think it can, I will well, as I'm going, I will get inspiration, or it should be at the place of payment page. So this arrow is going down here. So this one is in a shape. So join the clinical. So it will now be, instead of that join, it will now be see those people that take a mind, to get into the game. And now it is your turn. So it is your turn, will just be at the down inside that shape new, but it will be small. Then this one will be just be bold inside that shape of that color. So we now have testimonial video. I've sent video testimonial. I have a video testimonial of my student. I've sent it, and I asked some of my students to do more. So if they did before tomorrow, I will send it. But I have some picture, so I will send the picture. Then that picture, I've sent it. So you just help us to do it. You can just help us to crop it like the one I will show you in the next slide here now. So after that, just help us to put it as many as brought Timothy on. We send this on, so put it there. So you know that this will now we now a little bit drop down, because it will be vertical. Put it vertical, not horizontal. Put it vertical. So this test will be inside. So after that testimonial directly, that the reason why I write this test will be inside a shape, and the payment link for smartphone and PC will be embedded. So what I mean is that this shape, I'm sorry, I did it on system before, so I don't know that the text is black, so I should have changed it to white. I can't change it on my phone now. So yes, I am ready to get into the game now. So this one will be on a shape too. It can be on the color of that shape that you use for see those people that so and as it be on this shape, then you embedded it will not be big as this one. You know that this one, it can be big up to this place, but this one is just small. So it will now have an embedded link of payment link there, so that when someone just click it now, it take them to payment and link that we join to this page. Maybe it's another page, or we just join payment link of this paystack or seller. Just join to it. Then after that, after this one, you know that we have this one, just go straight to this way. Here is the deal. So I'm going to resend this thing to you, so that you can just copy and paste. Everything has been corrected very well. So here is the deal. So that one is just a content, just like a copy of this. So I mentioned like a problem, why the problem still persists, and what to do, the possibly wait out. And though I didn't go deep in that. So then how you can go out, then using our course as the solution. This is what I don't want you to pass through before becoming an expert. You can just make that one bold, just bold. So this is why I have carefully and comprehensively designed this course for you. So whether you are using a PC or smartphone, so it's just like a continuous word. For the eyes, you just follow it. For those people that will read it, just to get them convinced. So, and if you are still wondering if this is for you, I want to make this crystal clear. Now this is why I've made the critical, whether you are using a PC or smartphone. Now this one, you know that there is a space, although this place we just have a space here. Yes, I like the space. So this space, then this one too, have this one, then a space now between this one. Now this checkbox here that I mean is like a checkbox, like when you put when you mark a stuff like this in graphics, like marking something like this, like just mark something. I hope you get it. Like maybe when I mark something that you are correct, so that's checkbox. So it can just be inside a little box like checkbox here. I'm going to show you. Let me show you an example of checkbox. So that we know it's time, now it's time, now it's time. Okay, yes, good. So you can see this one now is a checkbox. Here's what to expect. So here's what to expect now. You can see this is a checkbox. Now you are supposed to be using this like this arrow so that the eyes will be following. You see this arrow is very very creative. The eyes will be following. You can see how this one is bold. You can see this one is more bolder. So you just supposed to be missing it. So that it will be very creative. Now and if you are still wondering if this is for you, so after this, whether you are using fast one or quickly, so we have an arrow between this one now, an arrow pointing to this one. So checkbox here, then this one, this one, this one, this one. As I write it, as I put this one and underline it, you put it and underline it. So space is also here, space is here, space is here. Then within a moment, I am going to configure you to a video guru. So an arrow will be here too, pointing to this one too, just like that arrow pointing to this one too. So a picture will be here of someone editing video. A picture of bro King that bro Timothy that use camera can be here, will be here, not just can be here, will be here. After it's here, then we now have take a look at what you will be creating after this course. So a picture of bro Timothy is here. You know that this one will now be under the picture, then this one will be bold, just like very very bold, just like life challenges starts every Tuesday. So that one very bold because it's one of our main target tests, so it's very bold. So video samples of what we will be creating, I will send my own video samples, like my own video sample of 5. Bro Timothy will send his own, maybe like 5. It should be like up to 13. So I send my own video, you know, it's smartphone video editing. So I will send my own to you, how all my own video. I will send it to you today or tomorrow so that I can do it very well. So I will send my own, so up to 6 or 7. So does this sound cool? You know, after the video we now have this. Does this sound cool? Just bold, not too big. Does this sound cool? So this one will be yes, I am ready to enroll now. So you can just copy the one that is here and then put it here, put it here. Yes, I'm ready to enroll. You know that you have link. Yes, I'm ready to enroll, but this one test will just be different from that one. Yes, I'm ready to enroll now. So the link to also is there. So you haven't seen it all. So after this one, you know that it will be in a shape. This one will be in a shape, and it will be just be in a center like this. You know, in the center. So some, you know some tests are here. Some tests are will start here. So if you look at it very well at this place, you know that this test now they didn't start from this place. They start from here. You can see it. So that's it. So you see this one, I start from this edge. You see this one, I start from this place. So it's also one of the creativity things. If you do this thing finish and you perfect it, you see that you too you will like it. That's it. So does that sound cool? So it's both too. So this one you can see that this does that sound cool is here. Okay, videos. Okay, does that sound cool is here. Take a look at this one. It starts from here too. So you haven't seen it all. You haven't seen it all. Just write it the way I write it here. So it doesn't need to be both. Just write a picture here, funny one. I will send this picture of funny one. Let me just put it picture 1, so that once I send it to you, I'll just name it picture 1. You know that picture of bro Timothy is the first one, but where I will be sending this one, picture 1 of someone that is you haven't seen it all. So this one will just be like a funny picture of still saying something like that. Or should we put a picture here, or just I think I can put a picture of say surprise one, of someone that is very surprised here. Then if you join now, this one will be bold and big, just like this one, just like this one, bold and big. If you join now, you will get full access to, you get instant full access to this one, this one so, this one so, this one so. I think if bro Timothy can just join his own, I will ask him so that he join his own, maybe his own resources. These are my own resources. So totally this you be bold too, but not big up to this one. So this one can just be bold and not too big. You understand, sir? Then after this one, you put an arrow pointing down. after this level up class, after this level up course, you know you put an arrow. After the level up class also, you will start bold. You start editing video faster. This as it is like this. So let me see something. So you can also help us to put checkbox at this way. So it will be like this too. It will be like this too. So just like it starts here, then you should you know that this background is interchanging color. Let me show you this one. It's interchanging color. So white background, you can see the way the blue is monitoring it. So all those places of and if you finish up this course clinical, all this place of after this level of class can just be in a blue shape like this, just like this one. After this level of class, you are gonna get, you can see this one second, you are gonna get, okay, so that's it. So you're gonna get, okay, so we can just have our own too like this. I like this picture. I'm going to send it to you too. Okay, after this level of class, after this level of course, there will be a picture here. Let me put it. So just a picture, png picture 2. So I'm going to send it. I have a large file of graphics, so I'm going to send it to you, picture, so you can see how it is. So those down. So this one, a picture will be here. You will start. So our checkbox here. So let me see, checkbox. Let me find something to represent the checkbox. Yes, good. So checkbox. So in that one down there. So after that, you can help us to put arrow here too. This course cover. So this course cover, I will edit this one. I will edit my own here, and I will edit Bro Timothy on here. If I can't edit Bro Timothy on here, he will send his own to you, but I will edit my own there. So this course cover. So now now you see it. Now you can see it. It should be now you can see it. Now you can see it. So question mark. So this one too, yes, I want to erase just like that one too. You get some. So who exactly need this course? This one will also be in a shape of like bigger one, second kidney, bigger one like this. So then business owner, all this one just like this, all this one just like this. Then you can help us put a checkbox or just put a minus like this. So just like this one. I will send a picture here. See, I don't joke with my work. So after this one, I don't even need a picture, just an arrow, here. Now this one, now you can see I don't joke with my words. This one also will also be in a shape just like this one. It also be in a shape. It can be blue. Then you know that this one is white. So just be like that. So just follow the color palette of that guy. So I think it will make the work easy. Now this way, see, I don't joke with my words. So I am giving you my lion guarantee. So from this, my lion guarantee will be bold. Sorry for not putting lion to be bold. Maybe I should just make it bold. So I don't want to take long with this video, so that because of data. So if you take this course, so I've corrected everything. So and you will still have full access to the course content. So this one too, you get some. So frequently asked question. I like the way you do this one, but you can just help us to put the full meaning of, instead of FAQ, just put frequently asked question. No, it's not everybody that know FAQ. Frequently asked question will be able to. Let me show you this guy who I will send the link of this landing page to you. So seeing this one now is a little bit, is a creative thing. So this guy who asks frequently asked question. Oh my god, don't know why it's taking so long. So okay, so you can see this plus get this awesome bonuses can just be that my lion guarantee. This one can be my lion guarantee in red and very bold like this lion guarantee. So you can just help us to follow this guy creative stuff. Uh-huh. No, 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 no. This is some testimony. Here's what people are saying. Here's what people are saying. Oh my God. 5 part clinical. Okay. So our frequently asked question can just be in a system like this. Maybe I'll send a system mockup to you like this in black and edit it like frequently asked question. Frequently asked question. Then then this one will just follow frequently asked question. Then this one will just follow. All those frequently asked question will just follow. Frequently asked question. This will just follow. Who need this? Who need that? Oh my God, where is it? What happened after I register? Okay, yes, this is the frequently asked question. So this is the frequently asked question. Will I be required to pay? No. Okay. And all these questions will be both. Then the answer will not be both. The question will be, if I pay for smartphone video recording, what type of phone device will I need to? Okay. Okay. So this one is both. Then this one will just follow. It will not be both. So that's how it is. Then at the end, now I am fully ready now to enroll in the course. So just like a shape payment link embedded. So that's it. Thank you. So if you have any question, you can still ask me so that I can send the question. I can answer the question. Thank you, sir.